How to review on booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can review on booking.com. So in order to review on booking.com, first thing first, update your application and then log into your booking.com. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up your application. Once you're logged into your booking.com, it's going to take you to its official page or the home page. Right on this page, click on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, scroll down a bit and go to reviews. So in order to review on booking.com or to leave a review on booking.com, you must have booked a particular hotel or any sort of accommodation from booking.com, and you must also have stayed there. Only then you'll be able to review on booking.com. For instance, let's say that if you booked your hotels from booking.com, then you'll be able to see the hotel's name, and underneath you'll be able to see review. So in order to leave a review, tap on the review button, type in the comment or the review that you want to leave it, and click on the submit button. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully added a review on booking.com. So in this way you can review on booking.com. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.